guys, welcome back to Crypto TA Pro. I'm Fabio. Before we get into the chart, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We can see right now one day Bitcoin chart. We close the candle 16 for bearish, mine 5 for bullish, and the new one candle is open with 12 for the bearish and mine 1 for the bullish. We can see in the last candle we get a red X is bearish signal, and we start to see the candle below. But right now we are practically in the thin line, but it starts going down to the EMA 21 exactly as predicted. Our goal is like 55,556, something like this in this territory. If we look in the resistance and support, we can see we have weekly support here in likely 25,500. We have another one here in 27. This range is very important. We can see in market cipher B the momentum wave is going down. The money flow sincerely is not really going down, is more sideways, okay? And the VWAP is like a recovery well. We can see in our RSI the trend is like going down, but not like going down in bearish, going down in neutral territory. We can see the RSI is start going up. We need to check what's happening when the RSI touch the EMA 22, if we get a rejection or if we can go crossing the EMA 22. If we can crossing, we get a pump, okay? This is everything for one day chart. But I would like looking for our chart. For our chart, we can see we are very close to our goal. Is the EMA 200, okay? It's $56,300. If we put our line, we can see we broken the point of control, and we are every hour more closer than our goal. It's like 56, 55. Technically the target is 52,000, okay? But I don't know if we get this target. Is very low. We have this trend line, we have this support, weekly support, we have the EMA 200, we have a lot of stuff to broken to get 52,000, okay? If we look in market cipher B, we can see finally the money flow, it's going below to the zero line, start to the wave color red, and sincerely it's something stronger because it's going down very strong. We can see the momentum wave, it's almost below the mine 59. We're waiting for or regular green dot or big green dot. And the VWAP is going down, is going up, sorry, it's touched the zero line, but I don't see a strong VWAP. Probably we get a rejection, okay, a rejection, and we can see a momentum wave, something like this, okay, a little bit high, the money flow, the red money flow. The RSI and stochastic going down, everything is going down right now. I don't see anything very good in the market cipher B. Almost good we can see here in the RSI. We can see the trend is going down, okay, but the RSI right now It's like create a double bottom. Okay, this is good. This probably we try to going up, and we need to see what's happening when the RSI touch the EMA22, if you get a rejection, or if finally we can cross and come back in the neutral territory to start going up. Okay, this is the idea. We're looking for 2-hour chart. 2-hour chart, we can see we have very big wave, red wave in money flow. We can think something like this, probably around May 29, October 29, 10 a.m. I think, 10 a.m., 11, no, 10 a.m. Eastern time, USA. Maybe we can see the end to this red wave. We can see we get 2 big green dots. We can see the VWAP is above to the 0 line, but it's likely come back to touch the 0 line. The RSI stochastic very close to 0 line. The stochastic is color green. It's very good, and we need to see right now something like this, probably going close to the 0 line and start to go up. If we get this combination, is the perfect time for get the pump. Probably May the price is going down. Okay, it's going down like this, and finally pump around the 29, October 29. But we need to check the money flow. The money flow right now it's very bad. We can see in 1 hour it's very big red money flow. Right now we will get bullish divergence with this green dot, but the money flow is very red. When we are in the red money flow, the bullish divergence is not too strong. If you look in here, we get a bullish cross, but sincerely we don't get any big pump. Probably we can reach 61,200 and come back. Okay, practically right now probably we have the EMA 200 like our resistance. Okay, for the price. Right now we fighting for stay above to the monthly. This is the monthly support. Okay, this one. Okay, 58,800. Okay. If we look in 30 minute, we can see the seam. We have a big red wave for the money flow. We have RSI stochastic very low, color green, beautiful. And we need to wait to understand the end to the red wave. In the 15 minute, we can see practically the seam. We are almost in green here, but probably we can get a little wave green, or we can touch the 0 line and come back another time in the red. Okay, but everything, guys, is like prepare to the big pump, because when we have the stochastic, the RSI very close to the 0 line, okay, in 15 minutes, 24 minutes, 1 hour is just like started. Okay, if I have to look into 1 hour chart, is likely a wave like the maybe is the same. 29, 30, something like that. We have to waiting when we have the RSI stochastic close to the 0 line, and we have this big green dot, and the wave, the trend is going up. Is just waiting for the finish, for the crossing to the money flow wave to the 0 line, and start to see the green wave, is the perfect time to the pump. Okay, we need to wait 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour. 4 hour, it's very important. Don't get very big wave. I like it, may see something like this, not too much. Okay, will be great. We will see what's happening in the wave, in the money flow. This is everything for today for the Bitcoin price. I can't see any big change. Just try right now to stay in the monthly support, but probably we fall down and we touch the EMA 200 weekly support, or maybe this trend line. Okay, this is our target. Okay, if we look in Ethereum, we can see is still in 3,900, almost $4,000. It's very good because Bitcoin is going down 58, 59, 57, whatever, but Ethereum is still $4,000 practically. We can see in 1 day chart we have a beautiful money flow. The momentum waves start going down, the VWAP too, but here in the RSI we can see we are in neutral territory, and we try probably tomorrow, after tomorrow, we try to crossing the EMA 22. If we get this crossing, probably we get a pump. In 4 hour chart, we can see almost we get a big green dot. The money flow is likely going down, but I don't think we go into the red. I think maybe we're going down a little bit and we recover. Okay, the RSI and stochastic right now is not like good, sincerely. In 2 hour we can see we still in green. In 1 hour we have this little red wave. Probably when this wave is coming another time in green territory, we start to see the price to Ethereum move to the upside. Okay, going to check what's happening in Shiba, because Shiba is just crazy. We can see we get the new all-time high, better than our expectation. We expect 0.000073. We reach 0.000087. Okay, very important step. I would like see, if we're looking for a market cipher B, we can see the momentum wave going up, but very strong. The money flow too, and the VWAP just going sideways. The RSI going totally up. In 4 hour chart, we can see we get a red dot right now, but practically it's a bearish divergence, but it's not too strong. We have a beautiful money flow, and we have a beautiful RSI. Everything is super bullish for Shiba right now. Right now we're waiting for one green dot 1 hour chart, and probably we can see another move to the upside. This is everything for today. If you are interested in Market Cipher, you have in the link in the description below. You can get Market Cipher A, Market Cipher B, Market Cipher SR, and Market Cipher DBSI. This is the best indicator for trade crypto and Forex, to get all probability to do the correct trading, short or long. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.